Here are 3 bags filled with different solutions. One contains a zinc sulfate solution, the second copper sulfate, and the third contains a salt bridge immersed in potassium chloride solution. We also have 2 electrodes attached to non-conducting plastic. One of the electrodes is made of zinc, and the other from copper. A wire with an alligator clip is attached to each electrode. Use sandpaper to polish the electrodes and put them aside. Next, open the containers. Cut open the zinc sulfate bag and pour its contents into the container. Repeat the process for the copper sulfate. Next, cut open the bag marked salt bridge and pour the solution into its container. The U-tube is what we call a salt bridge. Note that it is filled with gelatin. Place it with the openings immersed in the solution. Take a multimeter and note that its dial is in the off position. There are 3 sockets, one above the other. Connect the black wire to the lowest inlet and the red wire to the middle inlet. Rotate the dial to 20 volts. Now the reading is 0 volts. Place the electrodes in their corresponding solution. Note that the copper solution is green. Connect the red wire to red and black to black. Note that the meter still reads 0 volts. Now, place the salt bridge through the holes in the plastic connector so that each opening is immersed in a different solution. Observe the reading. It shows 1.1 volts, which is exactly the theoretical value. Remove the salt bridge and observe that the reading returns to 0 volts. Store the salt bridge in its container so that the openings of the U-tube dip into the solution. Disconnect the wires, remove the electrodes, cover the containers with their lids, and store for future use.